I'll show you exactly how to install an IPTV player and get it running. Step by step, no tech skills needed. First, from your Android TV home screen, open Google Play Store. In the search bar, type TiviMate. That's TiVimate. When TiviMate IPTV player appears in the results, select it and hit install. Give it a moment to download, then open the app. Once the app opens, tap Add Playlist. On the next screen, select M3U Playlist. This is the format we're using. Now you'll see a text field. Enter your M3U playlist URL here. This is the link provided by your IPTV service. Hit Next and let TiviMate process the playlist. You'll see it loading. Just wait for it to finish. Once the channel count appears on the left side of the screen, hit Next again. Wait a few more seconds while it finalizes, then tap Done. And just like that, your channels are ready. Browse by country, category, or search for specific channels. Select yours and start watching. Quick heads up. This works in most regions, but availability can vary depending on where you are. If it doesn't load in your area, it's likely a regional restriction. Still worth trying. It costs you nothing. That's all it takes. If this worked for you, drop a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And if you want more tips like this, subscribe. There's a lot more coming.